Dent.
The former astronaut centers himself in the Air Force Base, bar on the outskirts of the Mojave Desert. He needs to surround himself with chrome and glass objet, and has a penchant for new office blocks. There are silver flecks in his irises, and no matter how much he looks away, his drink stays upside down in its tall glass. He drinks to conquer gravity. Regrets the genocide of the Venusian race who helped him find his ship when he was lost. They'd never tell a soul, they'd think him mad. But he holds several women every night in his arms as he dreams fitfully. Pulled from his light sleep by bleeping satellites.